Hi guys, welcome to SEO Course by Capsule Concepts, where you'll learn everything from basics to the execution in the most concise way. We at Capsule Concepts try to present every digital marketing concept in the most encapsulated way. So here is what our course would look like. We have divided the course into three phases. In phase 1, we would cover the basics of SEO, how search works, and the structure of an SEO strategy. In phase 2, we would learn about keyword research, on-page and off-page optimization. These are some of the core tasks which every SEO professional encounters. Finally, in phase 3, we would learn about the tools used for advanced analysis and some of the use cases which would help us create a better SEO strategy for our clients and our own website. Thank you for your time. See you in the first session.